Is there anything in genetics that suggests what type of training is better or worse for you? So in our genetics test, we actually have a category called activity that dives deeply into how do we respond to training. And I'll mention in a couple of different ways. We also have a product called GENEFIT Pro that you can look up, where we dive deeply into our sports genetics and how we respond to it. And we actually pair it with our wearable data so we can see how we're responding to our training through a genetic lens. But there's a couple of ways that we think about training when we think about genetics. The first is, how do I respond to training and what is that training potential? We actually can understand using our genetics the concept of endurance versus power. So you're not a power athlete or a endurance power. It's a spectrum of potential. And using our genetics, we can kind of see where we're sitting on that spectrum so that when we do decide to exercise and we allocate those certain hours a week to do it, let's make sure that we're using that time to achieve our greatest potential.